Finally. Oh. Ew! Who are you? Ew! Ew! I'm so sick. Oh my gosh! You ice cream truck. Hey, I want some ice cream. Do you sell popsicle or something? Hey, wait for me. Oh, ew! What happened to these kids? Gosh, why are these kids ugly? I'm just gonna walk home. Pop this balloon. Bro. So I'm back home. Oh, my peanut butter. I think it's ready. Check. Maybe I'll add some oil in it. It's ready. I'll just put it in a plate. Let's get a plate. Oh, I don't like this green plate, by the way. Okay, I'll stop boiling. Now, my peanut butter is ready with my milkshake. Let me add this. Wow. Oh, let me drink it. Ugh. It's not good at all. I'll just try the peanut butter. Peanut butter boil. Ugh. Ew! I'm never trying that again. I'm just gonna pack some normal food. A basket of jam, sugar. No. These fruits, I never use them. Anyways, I don't need to. They're sleeping. Well, let's close the fridge. Much better. Well, bye guys.